all illegal nationals who are staying in India, they will be dealt as per law. Now, in the case of Bangladesh, as I had informed you earlier, we have referred 2,680 cases or more than 2,680 cases to the Bangladeshi side for them to verify the nationality of those people that we have handed over the names of. Once this nationality verification is done, then we'll be in a position to deport these people, these nationals of Bangladesh. In many cases, I had told you earlier that these verification is pending for more than 5 years or so, and it is our expectation that we will receive an early response from Bangladesh on this particular issue, so that the bilateral arrangement that we have between both the countries, based on that, these people who are staying here, they can be sent back to or deported back to Bangladesh.